Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to get glowing text on CapCut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your CapCut, select the video that you want or the image, and then add your text, okay, by clicking the text button at the lower part of your screen. So now let's just go ahead and click add text. So let me just go ahead and put sample. So you could just go ahead and change the font of it if you want to. So I'm just gonna go with this one, I think, or this. Okay, this one. Okay, so you can also change the style, put some animation if you want to. So let me just go ahead and select animation, but it's really up to you if you want to put animation on your text. Okay, so let me just go ahead and select this one. Okay, so I am fine with that. So let me just go ahead and select the duration of it. And then now what you need to do is to just go ahead and adjust the duration. And then you need to export this project. Okay, so once you've exported your project, what you need to do is to up it, go ahead and choose on it. Okay, so now you want to click on effects, click on video effects at the lower part of your screen, and then you want to find the nature right here at the upper part of the effects. Okay, so here is the nature, select luminance, and let's just go ahead and click again on luminance so that we can adjust it. Okay, so let me just go ahead and adjust the intensity. So this time it really depends on your liking. Okay, okay. So now I am fine with this one. And again, you can just go ahead and adjust the duration. And this is the final output. Okay, so now just go ahead and export it again, and that is how you get glowing text on CapCut. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.